welcome back to my famous, innovative, creative, popular, unique educational channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. As I am migrating from React.js to Node.js, from Node.js to React.js, from machine learning to operating system, from operating system to MongoDB NoSQL database. It is very challenging. Today's video is about machine learning to detect the gender. In Python, in machine learning, you will find data set. You will not get data set. Means you will not get data set readily available. You have to create the data set. If you create the data set, then it will be very good in machine learning. Today's video is about gender detection using Flask. So let us go through our Python file. This is app.py. Now I will execute the program. This is something challenging because I am doing it on browser. One and a half year back I was doing it on the terminal using Python 3 on the terminal, but right now I am doing it on browser. Yes, a nice screen is displayed in front of you. Now here enter the name. I will enter Sachin. Yes, it is telling male. Fine. Then I will enter the name. Madhuri. Yes, it is telling female. Fine. Now I will enter the name Anil. Yes, it is telling male. Fine. Then I will Anamika. Yes, female. So I successfully done with gender classification using Python machine learning. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on cloud, machine learning, Node.js, React.js, operating system, then networking like socket programming using Python. We have seen one video, what was that? UDP and TCP differentiation. So null stack, full stack. So please keep watching my videos on youtube.com for machine learning pro videos, and I will be also back with more and more videos on data science and this thing. Thanks for watching.